enemy of the city, wanna be done missing me.
Yeah!
I just think the winner living after someone trying to send a kill shot missing me. Y'all run down on the double X round, got a gang on Sicily. Hey, why you think they call me these colors? I'm popping off on anybody if they chill me. Like the yellow dragon on, like a kill, post rapping and I still will. When you take it back to 2012, I was chopping on the tour, was a big deal. Take it back to Peter when the game changed 17 years, long bleed down. 2014, when the people try to love me and I love me, everything I feel. As soon as they mention me, call them assembly, pick up a pen and put you out your misery. Look on the history, you was gonna happen eventually. You was going to the day that I don't know. Everything that I went through mentally, when it felt like everybody in the world was against me. When every critic and every article tried to defend me, my brother slept, they couldn't talk about me.